Many of us have heard of cryptocurrency and NFTs at some point, but you may be unsure of what they actually are and why they are all the rage.
Because they only exist in the digital world, many people are confused about the two, and we're here to clear things up.
What is cryptocurrency exactly? Cryptocurrency uses cryptography and blockchain to secure internet transitions. One of the best parts about cryptocurrency is that it cuts out the middleman to verify transitions.
There are many different forms of cryptocurrencies out there, including but not limited to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and many more.
It wasn't until recently that the NFTs became widely known in the world of digital artwork, as it allows the owners of the NFTs the ownership and authentication of their purchase.
NFTs allow the buyer to own the original item, and the item has built-in authentication that cannot be replicated. Many NFT collectors love the fact that they can own the rights to a specific item.
If you're considering owning a cryptocurrency or an NFT, you need to know that both are extremely volatile, making it risky for those who are trying to make a quick buck.
Both crypto and NFT investors should understand the logistics behind them, as well as the risks involved.
Crypto and NFTs are both unpredictable, and yet still so widely popular, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon.
For example, the NBA was one of the first businesses to get into the world of NFTs with NBA Top Shot. This allows sports fans to buy and sell player cards.
One of the most popular cards was a Los Angeles Lakers LeBron James dunk that sold for a whopping $280,000.
With everything we just discussed, it's time to start thinking about the future and how this will impact us. Marketing certainly is proof for this already, and now is the time to take advantage of this emerging market of NFTs especially.
Keeping that in mind, there's no better time than now to consider NFTs for your business. Gather information about your target audience and start collaborating with other businesses and influencers to create an NFT that can attract and add value to your brand.
What are your thoughts for the unpredictable future of these two?
For more information, follow us on our social media channels and make sure to like and subscribe at Branding Los Angeles.